Hello and welcome to our new tutorial video. In our previous video, we had shown how you can add lead to the workboard by Add Lead option. Here we will let you know another way of adding leads to your workboard and making your CRM operation smoother. This method of adding a lead via contact button will give you two options. First one is a person and the second one is an organization. To know it, stay in tuned with us till the end of this video. To start with this, first go to the contact option. Here contact refers to the details of either a person or an organization. So let's start with the person first. Here click on person. Next, go to the add person and press the button. A form will appear where you need to fill in details like the person's name, organization name, email ID, contact number of person, department that person is handling and the designation of that person. Next click on the save button and this basic information will get added to the page under the person header. Next, go to the name column of the contact person. Click on the name of contact person, then on the top right corner of the page hit the Add Lead option. From here again a form will appear with some more detailed information to add on. Here options like lead title, a pipeline stage, lead probability, date of closing the lead, and viewer option will need to be filled by you. After finishing all the detailed information, press the Add Lead button and this is how your lead will get added to the workboard. The same steps we can follow for the organization option also. Click the Add Organization button and a form will appear. You need to fill the form with details like organization name, state, PIN code, and address. Then click on Save button and this detail will appear on your page under the organization header. Next, go to the column under name of the organization and click on the name of an organization. Next, go to the Add Lead option in the top right corner and again fill out the form that appears on your screen. After filling in details in the form, finish it by clicking the Add Lead button at the end. Congratulations, now you can access your lead on the workboard. Now you are set to super rocket your sales. If you do have any questions related to Saletown, please put them in the comment section or can connect with us through the link given below in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe and do press the bell icon for the new videos and stay tuned with us. Thank you and happy selling.